Just last month, a total of 355 extreme risk protection orders, also known as ERPOs, were issued in New York. An ERPO can be filed by a family member, police officer, school official, healthcare worker, or district attorney, but it comes with a price tag of $210.
And a lot of people don't have that kind of cash laying around. That's a huge chunk of one's paycheck in a lot of instances. And so, what this bill very simply does, but importantly does, is it waives this $210 indexing fee.
Senator James Skoufis sponsors the bill that waives that $210 fee. He reflected on the impact that red flag laws carry and pointed to the 2018 Parkland, Florida shooting that left 17 dead.
There are all these sort of recountings of how many times sheriffs went to that young man's home time after time after time. And if a red flag law was in place in Florida, the police would have been able to take that young man's guns before, obviously, the heinous tragedy that took place in Parkland.
After the application is submitted to the respondent's local Supreme Court, due process takes place. A judge will review the application and decide if an ERPO should be issued. If granted, police will remove guns from the respondent and bar them from purchasing any more. Skoufis tells me the bill was inspired after a police chief in his district of Orange County told him many people who were not in law enforcement couldn't afford to file the application.
Because he was seeing firsthand that a lot of people were not, because of this filing fee.
State officials, including the governor, say this will be a more straightforward process that will promote public safety. Reporting in Albany, Amel Talegi.